keep the line moving. We have more coming in.
Okay.
This one goes to bin 4. It's premium quality.
Yeah.
All right, watch your step over here.
This bundle looks consistent, but the strength is slightly low.
I agree. Put it in the medium grade pile.
Check the levels on the automated feeder.
They're holding steady at 20 liters per minute.
We need to rearrange these blue ones. The airflow isn't hitting the center.
I agree. Let's shift them out slightly before the next rotation.
Here in the twisting section, multiple strands are combined to create a stronger, more lustrous composite yarn.
Keep the tension steady on your side.
Yes, it's feeding evenly now. Color consistency confirmed.
All right, this one is approved for shipment. Scan this one for Mumbai. Got it. Stacking the Hyderabad shipment now.